what time is? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yep, we are getting ready to hop in the car, y'all. We is headed to Put-in-Bay for our long family weekend. You guys are coming, so let's go. All right, y'all, we are on the ferry right now. I'll spin you around real quick. You can see my cars in here. We're getting ready to go. Yep, we are, say hey, what's up, man? We have Avery, and the girls, my daughter and her bestie Bella, are in another car, but they put them on a different part of the ferry.
Get the f out the way.
Get out the way.
So, ooh, I feel the boat rocking. Yeah, so we are starting. We are officially on the ferry. We're going to be getting going here in a minute. And, yeah, let's have a great weekend, yo! All right, y'all, we made it. We are back. We were at before, the Bird's Nest Resort. I highly recommend them if you ever come to Put-in-Bay, Ohio. And we are in room number 7. I'll give you a quick little tour. It has it's a cute little efficiency. It's got a little kitchen area, fully stocked kitchen with microwave, coffee pot, all that good stuff. Little area here that we put Avery's stuff. We have 2 double beds. Hey, Avery! And then, of course, like a TV area. And in here is the bathroom. It's not huge, but it's clean, and that's all that matters to me. Yep, it's clean. Let's go next door and see the girls. A little sitting area here. We are number 7. The girls' room. Hello. The girls' room. You remember Bella from Cabo and other vlogs she's been in. So they just got your standard double room. The only difference is that they don't, the only difference is they don't have like that whole kitchen area, but they do have, they do have a microwave, they have a mini fridge, and then, whoop, 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 there she is. Your bathroom, I feel like your bathroom is actually a little bit bigger than mine.
I said that too. I think ours is
yeah,
better.
yeah. Their bathroom's the same though. What's that?
Can I take some of these?
I've got a whole pack of water over there too.
Okay, cool. I want to make sure.
I always think about that stuff.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Gotta stay hydrated, ladies.
Mom, check out our mini fridge. We got it stocked.
You got it
Look at
stocked?
the mini fridge.
Let's go look and see at their mini fridge.
Oh my gosh, it's stocked.
Oh!
It's stocked. All the snacks. All the snacks and drinks. We got a V8 juice in there too. We got all the stuff for hot dogs.
They is stocked, y'all. Stocked. But we should do a drink real quick before we go.
Yeah.
We should do a drink real quick before we go.
Let's do it.
Anthony's over there on his phone. He had to make sure he could log into Wi-Fi. My phone hooked up to it automatically because when we were here
The
before.
Tito's I got are doubles. Unless, did you want to do like a?
I just want to do a shot and that's it. Just a shot.
Okay.
Let's just use the Tito's bottle.
Use the bottle.
Yeah, we'll just take them out the bottle.
Oh wait, do we have little cups? Take a sip. We'll pass around.
That is. Look at this. Look at this
Isn't
cup.
that cute? I already broke
Look at her
it, but
cup.
Look at the cup. It's broken.
Thank you.
I promise we're not going to be litty like we were in Cabo, though. At least I won't.
Woo! There we go. And you ready?
All right.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Woo!
I'll save my cup.
There's Perry's Monument.
We're driving, ladies and gentlemen. See the girls is up front. The girls. did the whole driving tour of the island, and we stopped now at Boathouse Restaurant. We got a nice little cute little spot. Thank you, sir. So here at the Boathouse, I got the Drunken Pirate. The girls got...
I got pool party.
She got the pool party. Look how pretty that is. And Bella got a pina colada. Anthony is waiting for his shot and his beer. We're waiting for the food to come, and yeah, I'll show you guys when it gets here. The food's here! They're all hungry. We are starving, yo. But I got the rum shrimp, so I can't wait to eat this. I'm starving. Y'all, that food was banging! Bella, how was it? Destiny's in the bathroom. Anthony, how was yours? Anthony got a shrimp quesadilla. It was so freaking good. Little man couldn't finish his food. Yeah, so we're getting ready to go back to the room really quick and get some stuff, and then we're gonna go out on a night ride, and we're gonna play Uno tonight. Yes, Uno. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun-filled day though, y'all, so stay tuned. There's definitely a lot more coming. No, they went the other way. Oh, the sunset's pretty beautiful. Oh, we're out here in time. It is looking like it's going to be a gorgeous sunset. Look at this. Look. absolutely beautiful. Beautiful sunset for our first night here. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're sitting on the dock of the bay, sitting on the dock of the bay. We got Destiny and Bella right there. You probably can't see them, but they're right there. Yeah, look how pretty this sunset is. Okay, come play.
Aaron,
7.
Aaron, honey, could you get the
Seven.
Thanksgiving turkey out of the freezer?
Oh, there's
Oh, wait, it's the 20 pounder.
Yeah.
Donna.
Good morning. It is day 2 on our weekend family adventure. Oh, good morning, girls. Good morning. Oh, there she is with the sunscreen. We is getting ready to head out on our golf carts over here. And we're going to hit up Crystal Cave and Heinemann Winery today. And yeah, so day 2, here we go. Okay, y'all, our first stop, we were going to go to Crystal Cave first, but we decided we were going to drive around a little bit. And we decided to stop at this little, like, there's lots of natural park places on the island that you can take walks, go hiking. And this is called Massey Cliffside Preserve. So we are going to just take a little walk through the woods and check it out. So hopefully I have never been over here, and all the times I've come to Put in Bay, we've never gone on any of these nature trails. So we try to do different stuff every year. So nature trail it is. Look how pretty! He's dead, Anthony. He's missing his eyeballs. We stopped at the dairy aisle, the same place we stopped last year, and got that fireworks float. And we got, here Anthony, show them what we got. We got a coffee float. Because what goes better with coffee than ice cream, right? We made it to Heinemann's Winery and Crystal Cave. Yeah. Ooh, there it is. There's the bell.
Cave. You are standing in the world's largest known geode. For those of you that are unfamiliar, a geode is just a hollow rock that's lined with crystals or mineral deposits on the inside. So you're basically standing inside of one of those. Geodes are usually like golf ball to basketball size, usually at most. This one is 35 feet across at its widest point, which is why it's known as the world's largest known geode. Our geode was discovered here in 1897 by workmen here at the winery. They were just drilling for a well. They did not quite get down to the water table. We are just above the water table. We're about 30 feet below the surface. And since we're this far down, it does maintain a constant year-round temperature of about 54 degrees. Just to give you a little bit of background information, here on Put in Bay or South Bass Island, there are 25 known caves. Most of those caves are limestone caves, much like Perry's Cave across the street. If you haven't been to Perry's yet, you can think stalactites and stalagmites. They have a much larger cave than us with a lot of great history to it. So they may have the bigger cave, but we have the prettier one. Our cave is covered in celestite crystals. Celestite is composed of the compound strontium sulfate. That's frequently used in fireworks and flares. So if we lit it on fire, it would be a nice shade of red. But we're not going to do that today. That light blue color that you see is the natural color of our celestite, although celestite does come in different colors: greens, browns, whites, pinks. So there is a little discoloration happening to our light blue crystals. It's not real. Don't pass out on me. Okay. Usually it's about right here where someone notices our fake bat, and then I just talk somebody up off the ground.
Fill the water. Just
Well, you got a cave kiss. Consider it good luck.
We're sitting in the wine garden now. I ended up buying 2 bottles of wine. I got the ice wine and I got the pink catawba, which they're famous for. So, yeah.
double fisting.
Destiny's double fisting. Yeah, Bella went inside to get a charcuterie board, and we're gonna sit and just chill for a little bit. We stopped into Joe's bar because every time we come here, we always see it, but we never like actually come in. But it looks really good, so I ordered a sloppy Scotty. A sloppy Scotty is a grilled all-beef hot dog topped with their signature sloppy Joe sauce, shredded mozzarella, diced onion.
Unless you die. It's gonna be like, there's just a hole there. As long as it's not would you come in and haunt me?
Justin killed that burger. You ate the whole thing already? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Don't mess around with my mushroom and Swiss. Oh my gosh. I really did eat it fast.
So we are done with lunch and we came back to the bird's nest and we are in the pool.
Rock and roll. No.
Okay, so pool time is done. I'm waiting on the girls to get ready because they're in the room next to us. And Anthony and I are just chilling out in the room. We're going to go play some mini golf. They have a really cool 18-hole mini golf over here on the island. But y'all, you know what I meant to tell you? Is on the way out here yesterday, we saw this police officer, like, we're driving on the highway, and we saw up ahead this police officer pull out of where he was, like, hiding, and he was, like, flying up the road. So I'm driving cautiously, still staying back, and we finally see him get up a ways, and he turns his lights on, and he's behind this, like, it was like an SUV, right? Wasn't it, Anthony? A white SUV. And his lights are on, the car's not pulling over. So we're watching, the car keeps going, and they were not stopping, and the car went to go get off on an exit, and there was another cop car there, and they threw out the spike strips. And so Anthony and I are in the car like, oh my God, I can't believe we just saw this. Like this high-speed chase, and then they throw out these spike strips, and the guy kept going. Like his 2 front tires were popped for sure, so it was crazy.
The strips, he tried to avoid them. The 2 passenger side wheels, they got popped.
Yeah, the 2 passenger side wheels did get popped, but I was like, the hell is going on? Yeah, so that was crazy. But yeah, we're just kind of chilling in the room for a little bit, and we're getting ready to go mini golf. And I'm not really sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the evening, but night rides, yep, night drives in the golf cart. Heck yeah, that's a thing. Yep. Yeah, so I'll check back in when we get to the putt-putt. Currently at downtown Put-in-Bay because the mini golf place closed. Like when we got there, it was like only a little after 6, and they closed. So weird. So we're gonna go tomorrow, but we're downtown Put-in-Bay right now. There's bells. Look at these beautiful flowers. Yes, we've just been walking around downtown. We went to a couple of shops. We went into this candy shop. It's called the Candy Bar. And Anthony got this 3-foot long candy snake. It's like a jelly snake. And we picked up a bunch of other treats. So I felt bad because he really wanted to go mini golf. So but we're going to have to go tomorrow. I had no idea that they would be closed that early on a Friday night. It was weird. So we're just walking around down here. We might get a bite to eat. And I got a big surprise for Anthony tomorrow for his birthday because little man turns 11 tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm super excited. It's a secret. Oh, Squirrler. There she is. Yay! Oh my god! Watch her fall off. We ended up at Hooligans to get something to eat.
Alright, first I would like a double Tito's and lemonade.
Okay, you're
With light ice. I sure do.
Perfect.
So I ordered the French onion soup and the Irish loaded nachos. Anthony got the Bavarian pretzel sticks with this like special gooey cheese dip. And I got a coffee teeny, something like a coffee teeny. So I'm thinking it's gonna probably be an early night for Anthony and I. The girls are talking about going downtown, but I'm a little old. So I think I'm gonna chill with Anthony and maybe watch a movie tonight and let the girls go out and do their thing. Tomorrow we got a big day, big day. Let's try it. Very good. Yeah, hey y'all. We are night driving. The sun's going down. Yeah. We're at the water. There's Anthony. Way over there, you see those lights? That's a cop car on one of the other islands doing cop things. Yeah, so Anthony and I are just out night driving. We love to take night drives when we come here because it's just fun to drive around in golf carts at night. But the girls, we dropped the girls off at Main Street where they're like all partying it up. It's just not my scene anymore, y'all. I am 45 years old. I'd rather drive around with my soon-to-be 11-year-old son as of tomorrow. Yes, yes. I'd rather drive around and hang around with him than hit up all the bars down on Main Street because, yo, we saw people throwing up earlier, just a lot of drunken debauchery, and it may be like, I'm just not in that scene anymore of my life. I'm not in that stage of my life. It's not a good time to me. So, yeah. But I will show you guys Main Street, what it looks like at night. I'm going to have Anthony get some video footage, and I'll just show you what I can of the island at night. Yeah, so, you ready to have fun, Anthony? Night driving? Yes. now have stopped at the Bay area. They just redid this entire area right in front of the Perry's Monument. Here, look at the Perry's Monument. They just redid this entire area, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to do a pan real quick so you guys can see.
expect.
Never been on a helicopter, me either.
It's nice though.
But it was fun. High five for birthdays. Heck yeah. All right, y'all. We stopped at Margarita on the Rocks to get something to eat.
One time we got it.
I hope he wins. It's his birthday.
She's not gonna go easy on him.
He's gonna win. He's gonna win it.
I'm not. Never. She's a champ at this game. There's actually a point without it. There's actually a point in which you have to stop playing it because there's no more business. He's getting too short to reach. I know. I was thinking about the same thing.
Yay!
Alright, I'm
Oh my god.
yeah. Oh, she got meal water. Give me some yours. Yeah. I think that looks like soda. Did Anthony get pop?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he does pop. He's gonna get maybe I'm going to a chair to stand on. Oh, he got one. He did. Oh, it's rocking. It's rocking a lot. Have a good day. Good game.
I got me my jalapeno margarita.
Some? What? You want some?
We is
Go ahead.
mini golfing.
Anthony, go.
We are now mini golfing at this part of the tour. Anthony wanted to mini golf today, so that's what we're doing. It is now pool time. We were, after mini golf, the girls went and checked out the butterfly house, but we've done that before, so Anthony and I just kind of chilled and hung out, and we came back, and now we are in the pool. And we got the girls. We got Bella's booty. Full time. Full time. So we're out for Anthony's birthday dinner. We came to Mossback's. The birthday boy, we're at Mossback's having dinner for Anthony's birthday.
I don't mean to give you a hard time. I really don't.
Here's the girls. What are you drinking, Desi?
I'm drinking a original fishbowl with blue raspberry vodka punch. It's a small 32 ounces light ice, and then I ordered a surf and turf with steak and perch with a baked potato, butter, sour cream, side salad and ranch, extra steamed broccoli, and a cup of kale and turkey sausage soup. Chef's kiss. That's a lot. That's a lot.
We like our food. So after dinner tonight, we're gonna drive around, watch all the, oh y'all, downtown Put-in-Bay is so freaking packed right now. Like crazy, crazy busy. Like cops are out everywhere. So we're getting food here at Mossback's, and then we're gonna drive around for a little while and people watch, right? And then later, we are going to play Parma-opoly and chill in the room. And that's how Anthony wants to spend his 11th birthday, huh? Yes. Yes. Yes, it's gonna be a good time. Food came, well, at least some of it, because the girls ordered enough to feed a small army. Think I'm lying? Watch.
That's mean.
To feed a small army? No. Because on top of that, they also have their dinners coming and appetizers. Yeah. Food came. I'm so excited. Look, look, look. I got the peanut butter and jelly
risk it.
burger. Bella got potato pancakes. What'd you get, Anthony? What'd you get, Ish?
Fish.
Anthony got the fisherman combo.
I got perch and ribeye.
I got perch and
I got prime rib. I need tartar. You have tartar, it's right there. I do, thank you. Thank you. You're funny. I need napkins.
I wasn't quick draw McGraw on the camera, so I missed it, but Anthony got some cake. Yo, the whole bar started singing, or the whole like eatery place we're in started singing to him. It was so freaking cute. Yeah, look at him, look. Let's see what you got there.
I did
What's on your nose, sir? What's on your nose?
It's whipped cream. I did it purposely.
It was a good birthday. Last night drive, you guys. Look how pretty the beach is. Here, look, I'll show you over there. The sun has set. It's so pretty. Oh my God, y'all, on Saturdays, the crowds came in here. It is craziness and lunacy, and we're just gonna drive around and enjoy it. Ooh, I look like I got some sun today. Woo, woo. There's the girls.
Beautiful. Wait, you should get me a beautiful view with this beautiful background.
And for look how cute they are. Happy birthday, Anthony.
How's that?
That was good. Oh, she tugging it out. Thuggish ruggish bone. It's the thuggish ruggish bone. So how was your 11th birthday, Roni? Good? Good. There she is climbing over the wall. She she bridged the fortress here.
Unstoppable.
Nice face.
Yep, y'all, that's it. Thank you guys for coming with us. I hope you had as much fun as we did watching this video, and until next time. All right, Avery.
Get